Good morning, students. Here, Mrs. Neelam Jan from SKM Public School. Students, today I am going to teach you Olympic movements. Today, my topic is here organizational setup of CBSE Sports and Chacha Nehru Sports Award. Today, you are learning about Constitution of CBSE Sports, aims and objectives of CBSE Sports. CBSE means Central Board of Secondary Education, and general rules related to the organization of competitions, then organizing the cluster, zonal level sports and games, organizing the national level sports and games and Chacha Nehru Sports Award. Its objective, eligibility, selection for the scholarships, duration of scholarship, and after that this chapter will be completed. Chapter number that is 2, Olympic movement. Okay, so let's start. Constitution of CBSE Sports. CBSE organizes cluster level, zonal level and national level annually. Organizes under the general direction of CBSE. Chairman of the CBSE is the Chairman of Sports and Games Committee. CBSE Delhi is the headquarters of Sports Committee. So the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE organizes the sports and games tournament at cluster level, zonal level and national level for various sports and games annually. For ensuring the smooth and efficient conduct of inter-school sports and games, the activities are organized under the general directions of the CBSE and in conformity with its policies. And its headquarters of the sports committee shall be CBSE Delhi. Now, aims and objectives of CBSE Sports. Aims and objectives are to arrange and organize CBSE affiliated inter-school sports, to enhance the general standard of the sports in CBSE affiliated schools, to encourage and promote friendly relations among the schools and students, to promote ethical values in the sports persons, to organize refresher, orientation and various training programs for physical education and recreation teachers, to organize activities for mass participation of the students. Then general rules related to the organization of competitions. Any sports event may be included or excluded. No team is allowed to take part without physical education teacher. If tournament is suspended due to unavoidable reasons, rescheduling is to be decided by sports organization committee. All the competitions at cluster and zonal level will be on knockout basis. So game sports event may be included or excluded by the sports committee from time to time. Tournaments shall be organized at cluster, zonal and national levels as decided by the sports committee from time to time whenever applicable. If a tournament in progress is suspended on account of an unavoidable circumstances, the venue and dates of the unfinished part of the tournament shall be decided by the board. In case no host for a particular cluster zonal level tournament meet is available, then such cluster zone will be merged with the nearby cluster or zone depending on the situation. No team will be allowed to participate without team manager, coach, physical education teacher designated by the participating school principal. All the championships at the cluster and zonal levels will be held on the knockout basis. All the championships at the national level will be held on league cum knockout basis. In chess, badminton, table tennis and tennis at national level. The player taking part in the individual championship can participate only in the particular age group in which she or he has played the team championship. The Costco India Limited is the official sponsor of CBSE Inter-School Sports and Games and supplies the sports equipment for the competitions. For example, it supplies the balls of each game except hockey balls at the cluster level and all the balls of each game, shuttlecocks in badminton at the zonal level and tables in table tennis. The tables used in table tennis are to be here taken back immediately after the tournament. It also supplies medals for skating and other running trophies. On the basis of the request received from the various schools, the responsibility is allocated for the conduct of the tournament in the following year. The necessary facilities provided by the school are taken into consideration before allocation of the tournament. Then there is organizing the cluster zonal level sports and games. Each cluster or zone organizing school will send a detailed circular intimating all the details at least a month before the commencement of a tournament. Immediately after the competition is over, the complete information will be sent to the AEO Sports CBSE regarding the address of the qualifying schools or athletes. Then organizing the national level sports and games. The organizing school of the national championship will be responsible for conducting the tournament in the best possible manner. The organizing school will send the complete and detailed information about the national championships to all the cluster or zone level organizing schools well in advance, so that the qualifying schools coming to participate in the nationals are fully aware of the venue details and other relevant information about it. The schools hosting national level competitions are permitted to participate directly at that level in that particular discipline and hence need not participate at the lower levels of the competition. Only one team or player shall be eligible for direct entry from the host school. In case of athletics, swimming and table tennis, a large number of students participate at the national level. So keeping this in view, the nearby school can act as a co-host. Now, the competition will be held at the same single venue, but the boarding and lodging facilities either for girls or boys can be provided by the co-host school. So this is about organizing the national level sports and games. Then Chacha Nehru Sports Award. The CBSE started Chacha Nehru Sports Award in 2005. In fact, it is a scholarship and is known as award. In 2005, the CBSE board introduced Chacha Nehru Sports Award for its sporting talents selected on the basis of their performance during the various CBSE inter-school sports and games competitions. Total 162 scholarship of rupees 500 per month. The award would be given to athletes identified and recommended by the selection committee constituted by the board. Number of scholarships may increase in case of tie in points. Then objectives of Chacha Nehru Sports Award. It is to identify, recognize, nurture and develop the extraordinary talent among the students. The financial support in the form of scholarship will motivate the students to excel in their sports activities. So the objective is to identify, recognize and develop extraordinary talent among the students of class 9th to 12th in games and sports. It will be beneficial in developing the sports activities at school level. It will also support the development of mental and physical health among children. This award in the form of scholarship will motivate the students to excel in their sports activities. Then there is eligibility for Chacha Nehru Sports Award. Students must be Indian national studying in school located in India of class 9 to 12. He should not be in receipt of any other scholarship for the same purpose from any other agency. Then there is criteria also here. Selection for the scholarship. Here, students shall be selected on the basis of their overall performance and score at the national level in CBSE sports competition. In case of team games, a committee composed of minimum 3 members shall select the students for scholarship. All the scholarships shall be identified by February 28 of the preceding academic year of the award. Students must be Indian national studying in a school located in India of class 9 to 12. He should not be in recipient of any other scholarship for the same purpose from any other agency. This we already have studied. Then duration of scholarship. Duration of scholarship. The scholarship is awarded to talented students in sports for a maximum 4 years. That is from class 9 to 12th. Subject to the fulfillment of the following criteria: clear-cut level of improvement in the performance of the sports concerned. Students, I am talking about duration of scholarship. First point is clear-cut level of improvement in performance of the sports concerned. Passing of each level of class examination is a must. If a candidate of class 8th is selected for the award but has not qualified for admission to class 9 shall not be considered eligible for the award. Number 4, a candidate who has been discontinued from the rolls of a school or has been rusticated from a school shall forfeit the award. If a student is unable to pursue the discipline due to health or medical reasons, then this shall lead to the discontinuation of award. Number 6, a candidate who has failed in class 9th or any other class shall not be eligible for the award for a second running year in the same. However, he or she can seek renewal of scholarship subsequent to passing such class. Number 7, in case some students are selected in the under 16 year age category, the scholarship in such case shall be entitled till the completion of class 12th studies. Okay, so in case some students are selected in the under 16 year age category, the scholarship in such case shall be entitled till the completion of class 12th studies. And students, there are some questions in exercise and try to find the answers and prepare notes. There are very short and long answer questions here. Try to prepare notes. Now this chapter is complete. Olympic movement chapter is now completed. Okay students, stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. This video is presented by Neelam Jain. Thank you. God bless all of us.